Hello, I'm Dipika. In previous video, we have discussed the type of GST registration. That there are various type of GST registration like regular casual taxable person and a non-resident taxable person and e-commerce operators, casual taxable person and non-resident taxable person. E-commerce operators are required to obtain GST registration irrespective of their turnover limits. If you want to know in details, you can check out my previous video. Let's discuss the documentation of GST registration. So, any person or entity that wish to supply goods or services can obtain GST registration voluntary, irrespective of business turnover. Voluntary obtaining GST registration can help the business to avail inputs, tax credit, and also provide GST bill to customers. Well, any person or entity that cross the aggregate turnover limit must obtain GST registration within 30 days of becoming liable to obtain GST registration. Delay or non-compliance can lead to a penalty of rupees 10,000 and loss of input tax credit during the period of delay. Let's discuss about the documents which are required for GST registration. Well, for sole proprietor or individual, they need PAN card of the owner, Aadhaar card, a photograph, and a bank account details and address proof, which can be your Aadhaar card. And for LLP and partnership firms, they require PAN card of all partners, including managing partner and authorized signatory, and a copy of partnership deed and a photograph of all partners and authorized signature, and address proof of partners like passport, driving license, and it could be your voter ID card and Aadhaar card, and Aadhaar card of authorized signatory, and proof of appointment of authorized signatory. In case of LLP, registration certificate or board resolution of LLP, and bank details, address proof of principal place of business. In case of HUF and Hindu undivided families, they require to submit the document of PAN card and PAN card, Aadhaar card of the Karta, and photograph of the owner, and bank details, address proof, and principal place of business. In case of company, public or private, Indian or foreign, they require PAN card and PAN card of the company and certificate of incorporation given by Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and memorandum of association and article of association. A PAN card, Aadhaar card of authorized signatory and authorized signatory must be an individual even in case of foreign companies or branch registration. And they required PAN card and address proof of all directors of the company, and photograph of all directors and authorized signatory, and board resolution appointing authority and signatory, authorized signatory, and bank details, and address proof of principal place of business. So, what are the benefits of GST registration? We are going to discuss in next video. So, stay tuned. Thank you.